Wagwan guys, whether you're a new freelancer or you're a top freelancer on Upwork, you will always have something new to learn. Today, I will discuss some questions you may have in mind, since these are real questions that freelancers ask me every now and then. So answering them now will offer you practical tips that can help you thrive like a boss on Upwork and leave the leaks of those complaining about not getting jobs. Without further ado, let's jump right to it. What can I do to get more job invites on Upwork? I have taught this on my channel that Upwork's algorithm rewards you for your active effort on the platform. So freelancers active on Upwork stands a better chance of getting more job invitations than those who open their Upwork account once in every 3 weeks or thereabout. If you are consistently applying for jobs, the Upwork algorithm will start recommending your profile. And if your profile is good enough, you will start getting job invites on your Upwork. You want to be shown on Upwork search results of clients so you can start getting invitation that way. That's why it's important to be consistent in sending proposals, whether you get response or not. Although, yeah, you should get response. And that's why this channel is here for you to learn how to write the right proposals, how to build the right profile, and get the right responses. So getting jobs on Upwork results from the consistent sending of proposals, your reputation on Upwork due to your completed projects, and the positive reviews you've gotten. All this contributes to whether you get new invitations or not. Another factor that can increase your job invitation frequency on Upwork is the rarity of your expertise. So rethink the service that you are offering. If the service is not so common but required, needed, then you would get more job invites that way. So another question that freelancers have been asking me is that, can I get hired on Upwork even without reviews at all, since I'm new to Upwork? Sure, every top freelancer you ever know started with 0 reviews, $0 made. So if you've optimized your Upwork profile and have yet to get a review, first, leverage the testimonial. There's a testimonial session from your client outside of Upwork, your managers on your regular 9-to-5 job. You can get a review from them and put it on your Upwork profile. They must not be persons that have Upwork account, I think, but it's better it should be somebody that doesn't even use Upwork at all, because they would need to use their LinkedIn account to give you a testimonial. So that can also serve as a kind of way to verify that, outside of Upwork, you've worked for people and these people gave you. So it's a form of review, pending the time that you actually get Upwork review. So this actually substitutes for Upwork review on your profile. Some clients check your entire profile before hiring, while others don't. They only see your profile picture, smart header, and first 2 lines of your proposal. Now with the new Upwork change, maybe first 3 lines. So focus more on making the first 2 lines of your proposal more irresistible. And when they click to read your entire proposal, you should be able to convince the client to hire you. I made some videos here on how to ace your Upwork proposal. I even dropped the proposal that got me my first job, and I think one other proposal of mine. So you can just copy it or check it out so you can know how to adapt it to yours. And don't forget that while having reviews give you an edge, showing clients that you have what it takes to solve their problem is the most important thing that wins you the job. So with time, you will actually get those reviews, as you do good job. So pending the time that you get those reviews that establishes your credibility on Upwork, bid on low budget jobs you can efficiently deliver excellence on, to jumpstart your Upwork train. The last question I'll be discussing today is, can I create a portfolio without any prior clients? Sunday, I don't have a client before. I am new. I just started learning UI UX design. So how do I create a portfolio? Yes, you can create a portfolio even at that stage. To create your portfolio without previous jobs. Okay, so if you already have jobs outside of Upwork, your case is easier. Portfolio on Upwork, portfolio outside Upwork, portfolio is portfolio. So if you have your portfolio on Behance or any other platform already that you are just new to Upwork, you are not new to maybe like UI UX design, that is the service you offer, then you are good with the portfolio you already have. You can either load it into your profile in that portfolio session, or in your proposals, you can add it as link. Just ensure that wherever you are linking your clients to does not have a contact information on the direct page they are landing on. But For somebody who is just learning, who is just an absolute beginner, and they are actually my major focus in this season. So you can do mock projects that showcase your skill. What do I mean by that? For example, nobody gave you a video editing job and you just graduated from maybe like a tutorial that taught you video editing. Pick up maybe like one of my videos and re-edit it, or pick up, shoot a video just for your own good. Maybe like gather your friends, shoot a video, an interview, a talking head YouTube video like this, and then add it to your portfolio. Then when you are learning the skills, for example, like when I was learning UI UX design, we did some projects in class. Those projects that you did in class can actually pass as part of your portfolio. Then remember that I used to advise that on Upwork you can pick intermediate, beginner, expert. So if you have picked beginner, which is actually good, there are a lot of jobs targeted at only beginners, so you would be able to tender those kind of portfolio for beginner level job. I hope you understand. Please, if you understand, type I understand in the comment section so I can know you are following me. I'm waiting. So I have seen some of my guys do this by creating imaginary brands. For instance, a graphic designer did logos for a brand that doesn't even exist. I saw my copywriter friend write copies for popular brands and posted it on his LinkedIn to attract clients on LinkedIn. People were liking it. You know, your portfolio's primary function is to demonstrate your ability, your capability to the prospective client, your ability to do that job. However, real projects actually add more credibility to you. So you can check this out for more on getting real projects for your portfolio. You can learn more about Upwork, freelancing, remote jobs, and other legit ways to make money online by following me here on this channel.